So over here, you can see that I have this video right here in VLC, which is simply playing around right here. So now you can see that I got the other application opened up as well. And as soon as I select it, it actually switches to that application. So if you want to get back to VLC once more, you should click it right here. This is the normal mode. Well, let's say you always want VLC to be on the top, whether you're selecting other application or not. In that case, in order to enable it, you can go around over here onto the view menu and then choose always on top. So once you do that, you can see that this particular player is selected right now. But even if I were to select out, let's say text, you can see that VLC is still on the top right now, just like this. So no matter how many other files I have, it'll still be on the top. But this can be troublesome at times. So if you want to go ahead and change it back, you simply need to go around onto the view menu and uncheck always on top, and then you get it back as it was, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the always on top option inside a VLC Media Player. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.